Dear students, welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics. In the previous session, we discussed even numbers, odd numbers. Now we are going to discuss factors and properties of factors. Factor means factor. Definition of a factor is a number which divides the other number completely without leaving a remainder is called a factor. Factor means a number which divides the other number completely without leaving a remainder is called factor. So, example number 1, we take 6 is the number. Now, we are going to find the factors of this number. So, we divide 6 by 1. If it is completely divides, then we say that 1 is a factor to 6. 1 6s are 6s. So, remainder is 0. So, 1 is the factor for 6. Similarly, we divide 6 by 2. Next number is 2. 2 3s 6. Here also remainder is 0. Then we say that 2 is the other factor for 6. Next we divide 6 by 3. 3 to 6. 0. So here also we get remainder 0. So we called 3 as a factor to 6. Next 6 by 4. 4 1s 4. Here remainder is 2. So 4 is not a factor to 6. Next we divide 6 by 5. 5 1s 5 and the remainder is 1. Here also we say that 5 is not a factor to 6. And finally 6. 6 1s 6. 0. So here also we get remainder 0. So 6 is the other factor. Now we cannot divide 6 by 7. So we get reminders 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros. So when we divide 6 by 1 we get 0. Then we say that the factors of 6 are equal to, first number is 1. And the other number which divides 6 completely is 2. The third number which divides the number 6 by 3 is 3. The other number is 6. So now 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. So this is the process to find the factors of a number, or we go to other process, that is 6 equal to, we go to tables. So we can write always 6 by 1 is 6. 6 1s are 6. Now next we go to table 2. 2 3s are 6. And 3 2s are also 6. So 4. In the fourth table we cannot get 6. Fifth table also get. Sixth table 6 1s 6. Now the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. This is the other process to find the factors of 6. Next, second example. Second is 15th. 15. This is the number. So we are going to find the factors of 15. So we can divide 15 by 1 to 15 numbers. or we go to tables. 15. 115s are 15. And in the second table cannot get 15. And that means 15 is not divisible by 2. So in the third table, 3 5s are 15. And in the fourth table, we can't get 15. So we go to fifth table. 5 3s are 15. Already 3 5s is also 15. So we cannot write, not possible, or not to write, need not to write 5 into 3. So next we go to sixth table. There is no 15 in the sixth table. Seventh, 8, 9 and so on. Like finally we get 15th table. 15 ones is 15. Now the factors of 15 are, factors of 15 are equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. Here we get 15 two times, so no need to write 15 two times. We write the factors at only one time only. So these are the factors of 15. Next, third example, 24 is the number. So now we find 24 factors. So first 24 equal to, we write any, when we write any number factors, first we write 1 into 24. Next, if it is divisible by 2 or not, we can check by using divisibility rules. But in the next topics, we go to divisibility rules. So we divide 24 by 2. If it is divisible by 2, that means 24 by 2. 2 ones 2 and 4, 2 2s 4, remainder is 0. So 2 is the factor for 24, 2 12s 24. So we write 2 into 12. Next in the third table we get 3 8s 24. In the fourth table we get 4 6s 24. In the fifth table there is no 24. Next, sixth table, 6 4s, 8 3s, 12 2s, 24 1s. So no need to write remaining facts. Now the factors are, factors of 24 are equal to 1, 2, 3, 6 or 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. So to find the factors of a number, we must have the knowledge about tables. Next, fourth is 28. This is the fourth example, 28. So here also, first we write 1 into 28 is 28. 1 into any number is that number. So here are 28, we can write 28 as 1 into 28. And in the second table, 2, or we divide 28 by 2. 2 ones 2, 8, 2 4s 8, 0. So 2 14s, 28. In the third table, there is no 28. Next we go to 4. 4 7s, 28. 5, there is no 28. 6. Next, 7 4s, 14 2s, 28 1s. So, factors of 28 are equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 are the factors of 28. Next, we go to fifth, 60 is the number which we are going to find the factors of the number. So 60 equal to, we write it as 1 into 60. 1 into any number, product of 1 with any number is always that number. So next to 2 into 2 30s. or we divide 60 by 2. 2 3 6 0 2 0 0. So 2 into 30 equal to 60. Next 3 into, again we divide 60 by 3. 3 2 6 0 3 0 0. So 3 20s is 60. Next 4 into, now we divide 60 by 4. 4 ones 4, 2 0, 4 5s 20. So that means 4 into 15 equal to 60. Or 5 into, now also we divide 60 by 5. 5 ones 5, 1 0, 5 2s 10. So remainder is 0. So that means 5 into 12. And 6 into 6 10s 60. We know it very well. Next 7. There is no 60 in 7th table. 8, 9, 10. Again 10 6s 60. 12 5s 60. 15 4s 60. 23s 60. 32 60. 61 60. So now the factors of 60 are. Factors of 60 are equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are the factors of 60. So this is the process to find the factors of a number. So by doing so many problems, we can easily find the factors of a number. So this is the process, you must remember it, and by practicing only we will get the factors of a number easily. Next, properties of factors. Properties. Number 1. So we already find the factors of 6, 15, 24, 28, 60 in this session. Next, the properties. First property is, by observing all the factors of the number, we can say that 1 is a factor for every number. 1 is a factor for every number. So we write 1 is a factor for every number. So by observing the factors of the above numbers, we can easily find in all factors 1 is the common factor. So 1 is a factor for every number, and every number is factor to itself. So suppose in factors of 6, we get 6 as a factor of 6. So every number is a factor to itself. 6 is a factor to 6. 15 is a factor to 15. 24 is a factor to 24. 28 is a factor to 28. 60 is a factor to 60. So every number is a factor to itself is the second property of factors. Every number is a factor to itself. Can easily say the factors of a number without dividing. We can easily say two factors. Those are, 1 is the factor for every number and every number is a factor for the number. Suppose if we are going to find the unknown value k, what are the factors of k? So we can easily say two factors. Those are, 1 is a factor for every number and every number is factor to itself. 1 comma k are two factors for k. Without dividing or without any knowledge from these two statements, we can say that 1 comma k are the factors of k whenever you don't have any number. Next, third. So by observing, we can say that 1 is a factor for every number and every number is a factor to itself. Next, every factor of a number divides the number. Third, every factor of a number divides that number. This is the third property. So every factor of a number divides that number. So in the sixth, 1 divides 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 3 6. 3 2 is 6. 6 1 6. So the factors of 6 are 1 2 3 6. All these 4 factors divide the number completely without leaving a remainder. This is the third property. Next, every factor of a number is less than to the number. So every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. So suppose we go to 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All the factors of 24 are less than, or that means from 1 to 12, all the factors are less than to 24 and 24 is equal to 24. This means every factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. Next, factors of a number are finite. Fifth, factors of a number are finite. Finite means limited, countable numbers. So, factors of a number, for number of factors for 6 is, we count them 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 factors for 6. Similarly, 15, 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors. We count them as 1, 2, 3, 4. So factors of 15, number of factors for 15 is 4. Similarly, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors to 24. And we go to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors to 28. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 factors to 60. So, factors of any number are finite, countable. So, this is the properties. In this session, we discussed definition of factor and find the factors of a number process. Next, third, properties of factors of the numbers. These are the properties and definition, some problems. This session is over. Next we go to next session. Thank you.